Hi everyone, this is Jessie, and in this video I will show you how to thread your machine. And I prepared this: polyester thread, thread stand, and tweezers. Some users may encounter thread jams or thread breaks when starting to embroider, which is probably caused by incorrect threading. Even experienced embroiders may encounter the same problem because different machines have different threading processes. Now let me share how to thread the EOC05. Anyway, raise the preserve foot before threading. And now you can pull the thread through this hook. There are two ways to thread the thread. One is to use the thread stand, or you can just put the thread on the machine. And let's try the thread stand first. I suggest you place your thread stand higher than the machine, so that your thread is held. Then place the thread on the thread stand. Pass the thread through the hole above to connect the machine. Or you can choose to place the spool on the machine's thread stand. I would choose the thread cover to prevent your spool from flying out. Pull the thread down to make sure the thread passes between the two iron sheets. This is very important. Make sure you keep your thread passing between the two metal pieces. Then you can put down the preserve foot. Okay, going down, pull the thread down along the track. Put it up along the track, going around the U-turn and through the elastic hook. I thought maybe if I removed the head cover, you would see it more clearly. Next is to make sure the thread passes through the thread take-up lever. The thread needs to pass over the thread take-up rod from right to left, so that the thread hangs on the jumper rod. Then pull the thread down again through the hook. Now let's check the threading to make sure the thread is not being held down anywhere. Here, the thread passes between the metal pieces. Here, the thread passes over the take-up lever from left to right. Then pull the thread to make sure it's smooth and not stuck. Now I can thread the needle. This is the automatic needle threader. You can use it. At this time, you need to make sure the machine stops at the highest position. If not, you can click the button twice. Press the automatic needle threading device down to its lowest position to make sure the small hook on the needle threader passes through the needle hole and catches the thread. Then release the automatic needle threader. Or you can thread the needle yourself and pull the thread out with tweezers to protect your fingers. Finally, cut off the excess thread because too long thread tail will pull the tension of the thread. Okay, that's all for today's video on how to thread EOC05 embroidery machine. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it. See you next time.